So it's 5:27 a.m. and we are starting Hell Week. So Hell Week means that so we start at the bottom of our transects for the first round in the valley. We do 3 rounds. So we can basically drive to our points and then just get out of the car and walk maybe 20 meters and we're good. But the second round, which is this round, aka Hell Week, we have to start at the top of the transects, meaning we have to hike all the way to the top. So you'll be getting up very early. Luckily, the first 3 transects basically start at the road on either side because they're like horseshoes. But the next ones will not be, so I will be getting up around 3 a.m. tomorrow. Not sure how well you can see this, but got some lovely moose tracks. Managed to find a trail. It's an old logging trail, I think. There's a bunch of them in the forest, and they've since started to grow over, but they're still semi-open. So hopefully traveling to my transect shouldn't be too bad. But looks like there were moose this way. I don't know, they were probably here sometime last night. But let's hope I don't see moose today. So I'm supposed to be hiking between transects, but I figured I'd take a moment to stop and show you guys this. You see how the habitat changes so quickly? It's literally like a line, like right here. So this is called an ecotone. So it's a line between habitats. And sometimes it's not super obvious, but sometimes it is. Like this, and it's super cool. Not sure if you can see, but way over at the end there's another line. So all of this is birch, and then past that is more hemlock. So that's another. This is basically just like a wetland, low-lying area, but it's really cool just seeing like how fast it changes. So, wetland. Hemlock forest. Holy balls. There she goes. I saw some sticks and one of the adults sitting on them when I first heard them start calling, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, both adults are here. I don't know when chicks hatch for goshawks, but they probably have chicks now. I'm gonna leave them alone now. But yeah, it was a really cool sighting. You don't really see northern goshawks in the forest very often, so I'm kind of surprised that we came across them. But really cool stuff.